Hello and welcome. This is lesson 40 of Kannada Kagunita, and this is the last lesson from the series Write in Kannada. And this is about double consonants, which is pretty important. So let us start the lesson. Now, you come very far, you finished 39 lessons, and by now you know that these are the sounds or the letters that we use in Kannada language. And while forming the word, we use something extra, okay, and those are called double consonants, okay. Now, these double consonants are also called as compound letters, and in Kannada, a consonant is used with the different consonants and vowels while forming a word, okay. And while forming a word, if a consonant is added to a same consonant, it is shown by writing half of the same consonant below the main or the first consonant. And when a consonant is added to a different consonant, it is shown by writing its half portion below the first consonant. Okay. If all these things are confusing you, let us dive into the examples and see what they are. Okay, so let us drive away the confusion by looking at all these examples. Now, these are the double consonants, and this is representation of this. This is representation of this. This is representation of this, and so on. Okay. So I'm not going to tell you how to write all these things because I've made videos where I show you how to write all these letters, and I know that you have gone through it, and I know that you know how to write all these things. Now the double consonants look similar to this. Okay, now if you look at this and this, only the upper part is missing from this, right? If you look at this and this, it is similar. If you look at this and this, the upper part is missing. If you look at this and this, the upper part and the dot is missing. And in most of the double consonants, the upper part will be missing. Okay, most, not all, most. And few of the double consonant looks like the first or main consonant. For example, this and this looks same. And where is it? This and this looks same. This and this looks same. This and this looks the same, and so on. And there are very few which do not look like the main consonant at all. Okay, for example, this and this. See, if you see this and this does not resemble at all, right? And proceeding further, there are these letters also. If you look this and this, they do not resemble at all, right? This and this, no resemblance at all. This and this, no resemblance at all, right? But then if you look at this and this, only the upper part is missing, right? If you look at this and this, upper part is missing. Okay. And then one more thing is, for ra, we have two double consonants or two symbols, I can say. Okay, two symbols. One is this and one is this. I'll tell you how where do we use this and this. But I hope you pause this slide and learn how to write these double consonants or the symbols, if you want to call it as. Okay. Now, let us go into the example and see how we use the double consonants. So first case is consonant with same consonant or consonants with same consonants. Now, if you use the main consonant and the double consonant of the same letter, then it falls under this category. Okay. For example, if you add k to k, it would be k. Okay. Now, here is an example. Akka. Okay. Akka. And akka is like this in English, and akka means sister. Okay, sister. We call sister as akka in Kannada. Akka. Okay, akka, that punch. Ka is given with the help of the double consonant. Okay, now if you see here, we have split it like this, right? K plus k equal to k. But if you notice this is the main consonant, which is this. And even though this is a root consonant, we write the first sound here. Okay. We do not write the root consonant here. Okay. And this is the double consonant. And even though double consonant looks like this, k, we write the symbol that is used for this consonant, okay, or sound. So if we see here, this is the symbol, right, or double consonant of this. So we write that symbol, and generally we write it below the main consonant and to the right side. Okay, if you see here, this is the right of this, correct? If you write it here, it would be left, but we do not follow that. We generally write below and to the right. Okay, so if it is confusing you, let us move to the next example and see. So this is ch plus ch. Okay, ch plus ch equal to ch. Okay, ch plus ch equal to ch. And one example where we would use it is hucha, hucha, and hucha is written like this in English, and hucha means mad. Okay, mad in English. Now, even though this is the main consonant, we write like this. Okay, this is not written like the root consonant. See, this is root consonant. I know you know what root consonant is. So this is root consonant, but we do not write root consonant here. We add it to a and write here. And this is the double consonant, and we write the symbol of the double consonant below the main consonant and to the right. Okay, so this, if you see, it is to the right and below of main consonant. Okay, so that is second example. If it is still confusing, let us move to the third example, which is this. Okay, this is ma. Okay, and you get this when you add main consonant okay, to ma. Plus ma equal to ma. Okay, ma. And for example, we use this in amma, amma, amma. Amma is written like this in English, and amma means mother in English. Okay, so if you see this, this is the main consonant. It is shown like this. When we split it up, it is root consonant, but when we write, we would write by adding it to a. Okay, so this is the main consonant, and this is the double consonant. Okay, this is the double consonant, and we write the symbol of the double consonant below the main consonant and to the right side. Okay, yeah. Next one is ba. Okay, sorry for the loud sound. It is ba. And you get this when you add b to ba. B plus b equal to b. And used in an example, it is habba. Okay, habba. And habba is written like this in English, and habba means festival in English. I have a very serious throat infection, so I'm sorry for the harsh voice. Now, habba. Habba means festival in English, and if you look at this, this is the main consonant, and we write it like this by adding a, and this is the double consonant, and we write the symbol of double consonant, which in this case looks similar, but we write it below main consonant and to the right side. Okay. Now, if you look at this, this is pronounced, or this is equivalent to double K. Okay, double K. And this is equivalent to double C and H. And this is equivalent to double M, and this is equivalent to double B. Okay. Now, these are the cases of consonants with same consonants. Okay. Next category is consonants with different consonants. Okay. So, the first example is Vayaska. Okay. And writing Vayaska is like this. V-A-Y-A-S-K-A. Vayaska. Okay. Vayaska means aged. Okay. Aged. Now, if you see, these two words are okay. First, simple words. And if you see this, we have used a double consonant here. Okay. sa. Okay, sa. And for sa we have added the symbol of ka. So the pronunciation would be vayaska. Okay, vayaska. Yes. Second one, shwasa. Shwasa. Shwasa means breath in English. And if you see here, this is sha. And for sha, we have a symbol of va. So, shwa-sa. Okay. The third one, rahasya. Raha, and this is sa. And for sa, we have written ya symbol. Okay. And rahasya means secret. Okay, in English. And if you see here, raha, sa, and this is the symbol of ya. So it would be rahasya. Okay. Next one is vijnana. 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 Vijnana means science. Okay, science. We, ja or ja, and for the ja we have nya. Okay, if you remember this, nya, nya, you have to use your nose to pronounce it, nya, and the simple letter na. So it would be vijnana. Okay. Next one. Okay, we have two double consonants here, and the first one is pa. For that we have symbol of ra, and second one is she. For that we have symbol of na. Okay. Now this would be prashne. 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 And prashne means question. Okay. In English, prashne means question. Prashne. Okay. Next one is vyavahara. Okay. Vyavahara. Vyavahara. Vyavahara means business in English. Okay. And if you see here, we have va, and for va we have ya symbol. So it makes vya. Vyavahara. Okay. Vyavahara. And next one is ka. And for that we have the symbol of this one. Okay. R. R. And the thing is, we are stopping to use this letter, and we are stopping to use this symbol also. It is still in use, but it is being obsolete. Okay, we do not know how much time it will take before this goes away from the list of alphabets. Okay, so but this symbol is for this r. Okay, this is k, this is r, and this would be kr. Kr. And this is sh, and this is n. N. And this would be krishna. 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 Okay, Krishna. Okay, so that is about using consonants with the different consonants. Okay, now to understand this better, let us use these for example. Okay, now going back. So we have come across this. Now this is the symbol for this. This is the symbol for this. This is the symbol for this, and so on. Okay, all these things. Now this is the symbol for k. Okay, this is the symbol for k. We do not have separate symbols for k, ka, ki, ku, kr, ke, kai, ko, kau, kam, kaha. Okay, for all those sounds, we do not have different symbols. It is this for all the sounds. Okay, all the sounds. Now, the same rule applies for all these things. We do not have different symbol for j, ja, ji, ju, jr, j, jai, jo, jau, jam, jaha. Okay, it is this itself for all the sounds of this. Then the question comes, how do you differentiate the double consonant for j and g and ju or ka or ko or kai? Okay, how do you differentiate between those? Okay, for that we have a rule. So we come back to this and we see what it is. Okay, now this was the first one that we saw in the previous slide, vayaska. Okay, and writing it in English would look like this, vayaska. Okay, and without the double consonant, it would look like this, vayasa. Vayasa. Vayasa does not mean anything in Kannada. Okay, so vayasa. Only when you add this, it becomes a word which has some meaning. Okay, now vayasa and we add k. Okay, we add k and it becomes vayaska. Okay, vayaska. Now, if you see how this is pronounced, it is vayaska. Okay, this main consonant is pronounced like the root consonant. Okay, s is the root consonant. This is s, right? This is s, but we do not pronounce it as s. We pronounce it as root consonant. If you see, vayaska. It is not vayasaka. It is not vayasaka. Okay, it is vayaska. This is pronounced as the first sound, k. Vayaska. This has root and this has the whole consonant, vayaska. Okay. Now, if it is confusing, let us move to this. This is the second example, different case. Okay. This is shwasa. Okay. Shwasa. Shwasa. Okay. And without the double consonant, it would look like this. Shasa. Shasa. Shasa does not have any meaning in Kannada. Okay. To make it meaningful, we have to add this double consonant. Now, I told you that we do not have different symbols for different sounds. Okay. Now, if you see how this is pronounced, okay, it is pronounced as shwasa. Okay, it is shwasa. 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 Right? So, it is wa. But then how do you denote the wa? There is no symbol for wa here, right? It is just this for all the sounds. Wa, va, vi, vu, ve, vai, vo. All those has single symbol and that is this. Then how do you write wa? That wa is given for this. A is given for this. Okay. So shwasa is written like this. We write the symbol for va and va is written like this. We write sha because we cannot write va. Okay. We write sha because we cannot write va. Okay. But when we pronounce it, it would be shwasa. We would pronounce it va, but we would write it sha. Okay. We would pronounce this as the root consonant itself. Okay. Sh. Okay, we pronounce this as the root consonant and not as sha. Okay, this a is added to this. See, shwasa. Okay, shwasa. I hope you understood. Okay, I'm not going to confuse you by pronouncing again and again. Let us move to the next word. This is rahasya. Rahasya. Now, without this double consonant, it would be rahasa. Rahasa. Rahasa does not mean anything in Kannada. Okay. For sa, we add ya. Okay. Ya. Ya, symbol of ya. It makes rahasya. And see, I'll pronounce it slowly. Rahasya. Okay. Even if we write this as sa, we pronounce this as the root consonant of this. S. Okay. S. And this as whole. Rahasya. Rahasya. And this is not rahasaya. It is not rahasaya. It is rahasya. Okay. Yeah. Next one. Vijnana. Okay. Vijnana. Without this symbol, nya, it would become vijana. Vijana does not have any meaning in Kannada. So, it is vijnana. See, when it sounds, when we pronounce it, it is vijnana. Okay. This is pronounced as jna. But as I said, there is no separate symbol for jna, jnai, jnu, jne, jnai and all those things. We just have one symbol. But then how do we represent jna? We represent by writing this as a. Okay. Vijnana. Okay. Vijnana. The a is given for the main consonant and not this. Even though it is pronounced for this, it is written for this. Okay. Vijnana. Okay. And this always the main consonant is pronounced like the root consonant. Okay. Vijna. It is not vija. It is vijnana. J. Okay. The pronunciation of this would be like the root consonant. Okay. So that is what you have to take from this video. Even if this sounds like something else, we have to pronounce it with this, but we have to write it with this. Okay, I hope you have understood. The third case is consonants with two different consonants. Okay, and the examples are these. The first one is astra. Okay, astra. Astra means weapon in English, and generally splitting it up. Okay, not entirely. Generally splitting it up, it would be asatra. Okay, addition of this, addition of all four into 2 itself. Okay, see there are 4 letters here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and everything is clubbed together to form 2. Okay, asatra. Now, a is pronounced as a itself. These three are pronounced as stra. Stra. Okay. This symbol is for r, and this symbol is for t. This s and this t is pronounced as the root consonant. Okay, and this is pronounced as the whole consonant. Now, I'll pronounce it slowly. Astra. 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 Okay. This is pronounced as root consonant. This is pronounced as root consonant. This is pronounced as the whole consonant. Okay. This is pronounced normally. This is pronounced as root consonant. S. This is pronounced as root consonant. T. Okay. T. And this is pronounced as whole consonant. Astra. Okay. That is first example. Next. Rashtra. Okay. Rashtra. Now there are two different consonants. Rashtra. Rashtra means nation in English, and generally splitting it up, it would be Ra plus Sh plus T plus R. Okay. Ra plus Sh plus T plus R. And this would be pronounced as its root consonant, and this would be pronounced in whole. The last one which comes is pronounced as whole. The remaining would be pronounced as the root consonant. Now if you see here, Ra is Ra. Okay, there is no double consonant, no worries. This is Shtra. Shtra. It is not Sh-T-R. Okay, it is not Sh-T-R. It is Shtra. Shtra. This as root consonant, this as root consonant, this as whole consonant. Okay. Next one is Stri. Okay. Stri. Stri. And Stri means woman in English. Okay. Hengasu also means woman. And Stri means it can be women or ladies. Okay. Now, if you see this, sa, ta, ri, it is split into sa, ta, ri. Okay. Now this is si. Okay. And this is si. Okay. Now see the pronunciation, stri, right? Stri. Once again, stri. Now if you listen it again and again, you can hear re at the end. Okay, re at the end. Now, re doesn't have a separate symbol or separate double consonant. It is written like this itself. Okay. So then how do you differentiate? How do you give the re to this? So that is why re is given to this itself, main consonant. So instead of re, we write C. Okay. C. And then we write two symbols for two consonants. Okay. Stri. It is written like this C, but it is pronounced as stri. The S and the T is pronounced as root consonant, and this is pronounced as the whole re. Okay. These two are pronounced as root consonants, and this is pronounced as the whole. So, S, T, re, S, T, re. Okay. Stri. Okay. I hope you understood. Stri. Okay. Okay, so those are the different classifications of double consonants. Now, there are few rules, okay, few rules, and that is for r. Okay, I told you that r has two symbols, right? This and this. When to use this, when to use this. That is what we'll see here. So, this would be pronounced as akrama. Okay, akrama. Akrama. And akrama means illegal in English. Okay. Now if you try to split it up, it is a plus kra. Okay. Kra and ma. Now, kra is split like this. Okay. K plus r plus a. K plus r plus a. Kr. Okay. Kr. We pronounce kr like this. This has root consonant and adding these two. Okay. This is pronounced as whole. This is pronounced as root consonant. A krama. Krama. Okay. Akrama. Okay. Now, if, okay, if a vowel follows the r, okay, if a vowel follows the r, then we use this symbol. Okay. If you see here, k plus r plus akrama. Okay. Akrama. A comes after r. A is a vowel. I hope you know what vowel is. A comes after r. If that is the case, we use this. Okay. Second case. Karma. Karma. Okay. Karma. Karma in English also. Karma. Now ka is ka and splitting this. Okay. Rma. Karma. This is r, ma plus a. Now if you see this or try to pronounce this, rma, rma, karma, r. Okay, it is not ra. R is the root consonant. Okay, this is root consonant itself. And we pronounce this as whole. M plus a equal to ma. We pronounce it as karma, right? And we do not pronounce it as karama. No, it is not karama, it is karma. So, if a vowel does not come after r or r, then we use this symbol. Okay, if you see this, a comes after r, okay, which makes it r. If you see this, akra, kra, r, r, okay. So a comes after r, which makes it r, and we use this symbol. If you see here, karma, karma, karma. So this is pronounced as root consonant itself, and this is pronounced as whole. Okay. In that case, we write or use this symbol. And even though we pronounce it before ma, we write it after ma. Okay. In all the cases. Okay. Not only this. We pronounce it before itself, but we write it after. Okay. Karma. Okay. Karma. R comes before ma, but we write this symbol after ma. That is how we are following it. Okay. Karma. Okay. I hope you have understood that rule. The next rule, okay, is if you have to use an, in, then we use the o. Okay. O symbol. I hope you remember where we have used o. Okay. Let us take an example. This is Chandra. Okay. Chan, an. Okay. Chandra. Chandra means moon in English. Chandra. An comes, right? An. Whenever an or or in comes, we use the o. Chandra. The and ra. Okay. Chandra means moon. Next one. Indra. In. Okay. O comes. Indra. We use o, and this is dra. Indra. Okay. Indra is a god. Okay. So Indra and Chandra. So whenever an, in comes, we use the o. Okay. So that's it. Those are the things that I wanted to say about the double consonant. Now let us take two random examples and see what they are pronounced like. Okay. Now these are two random examples that I pulled off google.com. Okay. Now let us try to analyze this. Okay. This is we. This is ma. Okay. Ma. And this is na. Okay. Na. This sounds like vimana. Okay. Vimana. Vimana means airplane or aeroplane. Okay. Next. Ni. La we have here, or we have la, and we have the symbol of the. Okay. I told you, whatever symbol we have for the main consonant, we pronounce it with this. And this is pronounced like its root consonant. Okay. So this would sound like ni lda. Okay. Ni lda. And this is na. Ni ldana. Okay. Ni ldana. This is pronounced by using this, and this is pronounced like the root consonant. Ni ldana. Okay, nildana means stop. So vimana nildana means airport. Okay, airport. Now this one is do. Do, and we have ma and ma. Same consonant, same double consonant. So domma. Domma. And this is lu. Okay. Lu. And this is ru. Okay. So dommaluru. Okay. Dommaluru. So that is a place. Okay. Dommaluru. So that is one example. Let us carry on to a bit complex example. Now, this is me. This is the symbol of I. Mysuru. Mysuru. Okay. My ladu tu rai. Okay. My ladu tu rai. Ye. Ye. And this is k root consonant and the symbol of sa. Now, if you remember, we take the symbol of this and pronounce it for this. Okay. And this is pronounced as root consonant anyway. So this would be a x. Okay. A x. So both are pronounced as root consonant because this has the symbol of root consonant, which should be used with double consonant. So this would be pronounced as double consonant. This would also be pronounced as double consonant. So x. X. Okay. Then this is pe. Pe. And this is the symbol of r. Okay. But I told you that we pronounce this by taking the symbol of this. And we pronounce this as the root consonant. Okay. So it would be pray. Pray. Okay. Pray. And the last one is s. Okay. S. So then this would pronounce like or sound like express. Okay. Express. Okay. Express. Express. Okay. So that is how it would look like. Now, that's it. That's all with the series, and we have come long way. Now it is up to you to look at the signs around you and try to pronounce it, write it, and do whatever you want. Okay. I hope the series has been helpful to you. And sorry for the voice. As I said, I have a bad case of cold. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting our channel. See you.